Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Now this is the second part of the other video that I was telling y'all about. So if you did not see the first video of the chicken piccata, make sure y'all go back and watch that video. Today on this video though, we are going to be making a butternut squash and Brussels sprout, kind of like a side dish. Before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally, and the physical book is linked below. Okay, so without further ado y'all, let's get to it.
Gotta say a word, he give me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love.
Okay, so y'all got my butternut squash. Now there's a couple ways that you can do this, right? But I'm just gonna show y'all one today. So we just gonna take it and we're gonna cut the ends. Hold on. Yes, I'm doing this directly on the counter. This is granted, it'll be fine. Trust me, I've done it plenty of times. Okay, so you cut the end off of it. Then you cut this end. Okay, and then you just want to peel it. Okay, now y'all can totally cut the neck off of this and just cut it like you cut in a pineapple. Cut the bottom part, however y'all want to do it. Like it's up to you. So then you want to cut this bottom part off, and then you just want to kind of cut it in my bad y'all, cut it in like dice. I'm trying to say cubes. Cut some cubes out of it. You're going to want to scrape this out. So just like a pumpkin, you know, you just want to kind of scrape the seeds out like this. Okay y'all, so we have our Brussels sprouts. I already cleaned them, and I'm gonna show y'all real quick how I cut them. I just cut the tips off and then I turn them sideways and cut them in half. Y'all, that's all that I did. You don't want to cut these before you clean them, because all the little shells and stuff are gonna start coming off. I'm saying shells. Gosh, I can't. All the little flower pieces. I can't think of what I'm trying to say right now. All the little flower pieces are gonna come loose and they're gonna come off of the Brussels sprout. So you don't want to cut them and then clean them. You want to clean them first and then cut them. Okay. Now I'm gonna put our Brussels sprouts. Excuse me. Put our Brussels sprouts. Spread them out. If y'all want these mixed together, you can totally do it that way. It's completely up to you. And then we're gonna take our squash. Now we're going to take our onion, and I'm gonna spread this across the whole pan. Okay, now we're gonna put some olive oil across this whole entire pan. Okay, and if y'all want a little something sweet, we're gonna put a little bit of ground cinnamon on one side. Okay, and we're gonna go with some black pepper over here, and some salt over here on the Brussels sprouts, and a little bit of garlic powder on this side. Okay y'all, so I'm just gonna mix this in with my hands, just like so. Let me rinse my hand off. I'm gonna do this side. Mix it up real good. Okay, now we're gonna take this to the oven. Y'all can put it in y'all air fryer. Y'all can do it however y'all want. I'm gonna put this in the oven. I don't know how long y'all, just until everything gets soft, but y'all know I will put the time right up here somewhere for y'all. Okay, so this is gonna be a little sweet sauce we about to make. Just about this much butter. So now I'm just gonna add some honey, y'all. Just eyeball it, okay? Put as much as you think you need. Now, I never actually had this before, y'all. So, this is for my husband who is not trying to eat meat. And so, I am cooking this on the same day I am cooking the chicken piccata. This is for him because he is not eating meat right now. So, we're going to see how he like it. Okay. Then we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Sprinkle in some cinnamon. Okay, and this is it, y'all. Brought it to a boil. We're gonna turn this off. Pour this glaze on top, but I'm only gonna pour it on the squash. Y'all, I'm gonna pour a little bit of garlic on this. I'll put it back in the oven for like 15 more minutes. Okay, y'all, so here is how it came out. So far, I only tasted the Brussels sprouts. I did not taste the butternut squash. Let me taste the butternut. And I will say that the Brussels sprouts is my favorite. I am not a fan of the butternut squash, but you tell me what you think, okay? So do not forget that the grocery list is in the description below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, and what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!